In 1989, in the heart of South Africa, Rivet Weldstud manufacturing was established, now a successful market leader in the stud welding industry. Based in Boksburg, Gauteng, Rivet Weldstud has completed project after project across Africa and has become known for it. With providing excellence being their primary objective, the footprints of Rivet Weldstud have no limits and is spanned across a vast network of satisfied clients. Some headliners include Carnival City Casino, Sibaya Casino KwaZulu-Natal, Extrata Alloys, Clearwater Shopping Centre, Radisson Hotel Sandton, Gauteng Concourse Oliver Tambo International, PPC Cement Nigeria, Arap Diamond Mine Botswana, Kusile, Matsimba, and Madupi Power Stations, and many, many more. These are just some examples of the wide variety of projects that Rivet Weldstud has taken on and successfully completed. Stud welding is a fast, reliable, and accurate fastening system that is used worldwide in a vast area of markets that include the automotive industry, power stations, factories, manufacturing plants, mining, sheet metal industry, sign industry, hot and cold insulation, boiler tubes, wear studs, and many more. The wide spectrum of applications in the stud welding industry is endless, extremely cost-effective and efficient. The purpose of stud welding is to save time, cost, and productivity, resulting in a competitive advantage. And with Rivet Weldstud being a market leader, they pride themselves on their comprehensive list of services and products. Services that can be expected like stud welding, stud manufacturing, CNC engineering, concrete core drilling, sales, equipment hire, and maintenance and repairs. Products can be expected to include capacitor discharge equipment and studs, drawn arc equipment and studs, short cycle equipment and studs, shear connectors, composite decking, insulation pins, and many more. Rivet Weldstud has the capacity to execute tasks according to customer specifications without error. And their highly experienced teams and personnel have access to the newest technology in the stud welding industry. A professional approach, efficiency, and the strive for greatness provides the main reason for the success of this company. Rivet Weldstud, we build Africa.